Practice tayo guys ng Alucard.
Demons shall bathe in their blood.
Ano kayang kalaban? Bakit si Silong?
The Dragonborn is back!
Ito na ang laban namin dalawa. Practice lang to guys, hindi to totoong na 1v1.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Kakalabanin ko na sila guys.
Nanto ka mochikotaita na.